Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate 9-in-1 kitchen multi-tool that promises to revolutionize your cooking and save you precious time. Imagine replacing your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more with just one sleek appliance. That's the magic of its incredible 9-in-1 functionality. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can perfectly cook everything from savory stews to delicate yogurts with just the push of a button, taking the guesswork out of meal prep. Durability is key, and the high-quality stainless steel inner pot ensures easy cleanup and healthy cooking, making this a smart investment for any home chef. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible versatility and user-friendliness, streamlining your kitchen without sacrificing quality or flavor. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience and reclaim hours in your week, this Instant Pot is the answer to effortless, delicious meals. Ready to see if the Instant Pot Duo Plus is the best kitchen purchase for you? Check out the link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon. No more cluttered countertops or endless pots and pans. This single appliance simplifies your entire cooking routine from breakfast to dinner. It's more than just a pressure cooker. It's your go-to kitchen assistant for healthy, fast, and delicious food every single day. For anyone serious about efficient and enjoyable cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have that I highly recommend. Don't miss out.